At this time in the service, I want us to all just get comfortable in our chairs, find a comfortable position, and close your eyes. Place your feet flat on the floor and your hands in your lap in an upward position to receive the grace of the sacred moment. And I want us to begin to envision our auric field expanding with white light with every breath we take in. And so let's begin that process now. So deep breath in and deep breath out. Holding that white light in our auric field. Again, deep breath in. Expanding the white light in our being. Deep breath out. Holding that white light in our essence. Last deep breath in. Expanding, holding the white light. Deep breath out. Bright, beautiful white light all around us. And over these next few minutes, I just want to encourage each of you in this time, this moment of sacredness, to roll away the stone hiding any illusion in your life. Rolling away the stone that is hiding any wrong thinking in your minds that you are not good enough, that you have no value, that you are not worth listening to, that you are suffering in life, that God or that Spirit is not strong in your life. Roll away that stone today. Roll it away. Allow the light of introspection to shine into your being. And just begin to find where God's grace and goodness has appeared in your life. Begin to find little things that you can be grateful for. Maybe your Sunday metaphysical family here at the chapel, a solid job, a great partner, friends, your gift of healing, good eyesight, healthy lungs that work, our beautiful beaches all around us. Find every day little things to be grateful for. And so in this knowing, in this moment, you have now begun to resurrect your spirit out of the darkness of error thinking, the darkness of ignorance, the darkness of negative thoughts. Because today is your Easter. Today really is your ascension in truth, metaphysical truths. And so by your thoughts and by your words and by your deeds, every day you bring God into manifestation on earth. Yes, you. Because you are a divine creation. And just take the vibration of what I say, the channeled information that comes through. Feel this truth resonate throughout your whole being. And I want you to embody this truth. I want you to embody this light. And so it is. I ask you all to affirm out loud and to feel these sacred Easter words. I want you to repeat after me. Heavenly Father, Mother God, awaken the Christ consciousness in me. Christ and I are one. Joy and I are one. Peace and I are one. Wisdom and I are one. Love and I are one. Bliss and I are one. Christ and I are one. Christ and I are one. Christ and I are one. Beautiful. So incredibly beautiful, that vibration. Notice that vibration after those beautiful affirmations, that mantra to Spirit. Absolutely beautiful. It's like sparkling light inside us. And as we embody these words, this vibration of truth, let us prepare for the rest of our day. And so begin to return your spirit to your body temples here in this sacred space, in this sacred sanctuary with your sacred family. And so let's take a deep breath in and let that beautiful breath out to Mother Earth. Remember, our breath is our sacred life. Again, deep breath in and deep breath out. Begin now to move your fingers and your toes, gently returning while opening those beautiful eyes. There you are, friends. Welcome back.